Okay, I'm just going to explain how you activate your Microsoft Office. Now, it is Office 365. Okay, so that just basically means that it's accessible 365 days a year from any location. So it doesn't matter what device you log in from. It can be your phone, it can be a tablet. If you're on holidays, it could be an internet cafe in Australia. It doesn't make a difference. So a friend's computer. You'll be able to get access to your files online anywhere in the world, so 365 days a year. So it is a free product to teachers and students. Now, there is a catch with it. The catch with it is that you don't have Microsoft Office on your computer, but you have access to it online, which is why it's called 365 as well. So everything you're doing will be online. It is internet used, basically. So it's like having your office, instead of being on your computer, it'll be on the internet. So what do I mean by that? It means that you have to log on to the internet. That's just me recording the screen. And when you log on to the internet, you type in your Office 365 and sign into Office 365, which is you can see there Microsoft Online Services. So we'll sign into that. So you give it a second to sign up. So you can see, look, Michelle's account is already set up. So it's great. It's only looking for the password. So we put in Michelle's password. Okay, and you sign in. Okay, and you can see here, it'll say Michelle O'Shea, which is there, which is fine. So this is now where all your Office products are. So you can see them all here. The main ones being obviously Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneDrive, which I'll explain about in a separate video. So this is where you access all your Office products. If you want to start a new Microsoft Word document, you just click on Microsoft Word. And you can see it's the same as Microsoft Word as you've used before, except it's online, as you can see up there at the top, Word Online. Everything is online now, so this is why it's free. And then this is the way it works from here. So you can start typing your product. It's got all the same options as you normally have on a PC. So, it's got all your copy and pastes and your file options, which are there as normal. Now, this is Word. This is Office 2016. So just in case it looks a bit different to the Office that you've used before, it's because it's new. It's not because it's online or anything like that. It's new. It's the 2016 version, so it's a bit glossier. So it still has all the same things. So you can type away as normal. Now you'll notice up here, look, it says saving. This is the beauty of the online part of it. Everything that you type, it's saving as you type, and you can see it's saved now up there. This means you will never ever again lose a document. You don't need to save it because it's already saved. Now, if you want, you can call it something different instead of document one. I just clicked on that and I can just call it a test Word document. And that's going to be the title, and you can see there it's saved straight away. And as soon as I start typing anything, it basically saves automatically. So this is the way it works, and you'll see saving up here. And that'll turn to saved in a second. So it says we're automatically saving your changes. So within a few seconds, it'll just turn to saved. And it means there you go. And you'll never lose any of your work. No longer will something be corrupted, or it won't open, or it'll be lost on a memory stick or anything like that. It'll always be here. So that's just basically how you use all this. And if you want, then this is kind of like, for any of you who are familiar with Google Drive, you can share this document with people. No longer do you have to forward it to them on an email or give it to them on a memory stick. If I want to share this, for example, I just click share, and it says basically you can invite people. So I'm going to actually put in my own one, and all these accounts are set up with St. Francis College, Rochestown. You can see I'm already beginning to pop up there, Patrick Croke staff, so it's already got me included. All the staff are already in your contacts. This is what the big list of people up on the staff board is. All of those members of the staff are in your contacts. Okay, so I'm saying that this person can edit the document, or they can just view it. So you can give them permissions. If you want them to just read over something, then you just click Can View. If you are giving them options to edit it, then you just simply share it with that, and then I'll actually receive an email saying that Michelle O'Shea has shared a document with me, which is great because it's a great way of sharing resources with each other. And you can see even up here it says shared with Patrick Croak, which is there as well. So that's what all the online is. Again, your tab is at the top here. You go back. You can use your PowerPoints. You can use your Excel if you want to start these. So that's the way the Office 365 works. It's online. That is the catch, I suppose, if you want to call it a catch. It's not actually on the tablet here. So it's not like a PC where you just double click Microsoft Word. Every time you want to use Word, PowerPoint, whatever else, you have to log in just like I have done with Michelle's account just there. So that's Office 365.